Ever seen a snail like this? Meet the apple snail, a freshwater marvel. With its vibrant shell and surprising size, it's no ordinary snail. Did you know apple snails can grow as big as a tennis ball? They glide gracefully, cleaning algae and munching on plants. But watch out, this little critter can lay bright pink eggs above water, ensuring their survival. Fascinating, right? Whether they're a friend or foe depends on where you find them. Tell us, what's your take on the apple snail? Let us know in the comments.